Hi, this is Roberto, Solution Architect and Field Application Engineer in Dave Embedded System. Today, I would like to present you ORCA Evaluation Kit. ORCA is part of Dave Embedded System portfolio of system model solution based on NXP i.MXM plus system-on-chip application processor. The ORCA system module has its own evaluation kit, which allows testing out of the box. The main features. The evaluation kit contains the most important peripherals available in the system-on-chip: dual gigabit Ethernet, SD, dual USB 3.0 OTG ports, HDMI, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, PCI Express, MIPI cameras and LVDS interfaces are available with standard or popular connectors. Moreover, many other peripherals like UART, SPI, CAN, audio and PWM can be wired to the expansion connectors. See our evaluation kit documentation page for more information. Once you have received the kit, please check carefully the label stuck to the box and take note of the serial number. It will be used for registering the kit in our helpdesk support channel. Open the box and check the kit content with the packing list using the Getting Started wiki page. ORCA Standard Evaluation Kit contains a USB Type-C power adapter with the power delivery support and its USB-C cable, and a USB-C hub with power delivery input-output, an HDMI monitor with its connection cables, the FTDA to USB serial adapter, the already programmed with Dave BSP software micro SD card. At the end, you can find the ORCA evaluation kit with the MIPI camera and the PCI Express already connected. Now it's time to connect the cables and start your first session. Insert the SD card into the micro SD slot in the evaluation board. Connect the FTDA adapter to the connector on the SBC ORCA. Please pay attention to the yellow cable indicating the pin number 1, little dot in the PCB. Connect the FTDI adapter USB side to your personal computer. Connect the USB Type-C power adapter to the USB hub. In your PC, open your favorite serial terminal application. Insert the USB power adapter to the mains. The green LED tells you the board is correctly powered. For graphical applications, connect the HDMI cable from the display to the evaluation kit. Connect the USB touch cable to the USB hub. On the serial console, you can see the complete system startup from U-boot to the Linux kernel console. Thanks to the Western DRM backend, powerful graphics application can be created and displayed on the screen. The Western desktop will be shown at System Startup. Under Western framework, for example, the GStreamer application can grab the video from the input connected camera to the display and the stream on the HDMI monitor. ORCA latest embedded Linux kit has been released as Desk MX8ML400 BSP version. Thank you for joining the Dave Embedded System community. For more information, visit our website dave.eu and wiki.dave.eu.